Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam overlay not working. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on Steam, and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings window where you can adjust various configurations. In the settings window, look at the left panel and click on In-Game. This section controls all your in-game Steam features, including the overlay function that lets you access Steam features while playing. Now look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside this text, you'll see a toggle switch. Make sure this toggle is turned on, as this is the main setting that controls whether the overlay appears during gameplay. Next, scroll down and look for overlay shortcut keys. This is important because you need to verify that the keyboard shortcut is set correctly. The default combination is Shift plus Tab. If you want to change this shortcut to something more convenient for you, click on the Shift plus Tab button, then press your preferred key combination on your keyboard. Once you've set your new shortcut, click Confirm to save the changes. Now here's something many users overlook. You also need to ensure that the overlay is enabled for your specific game in your library. To check this, click on Library in the upper left corner. Once you're in your library, find the game you want to play, right-click on the game title, and select Properties from the menu that appears. In the Properties window, look for Enable the Steam overlay while in-game and make sure it's turned on. This per-game setting can sometimes be disabled even when the global setting is enabled. If the overlay still doesn't work after following these steps, you'll need to fully restart Steam with administrator privileges. To do this, start by completely exiting Steam. In the bottom right corner of your screen, click on Show Hidden Icons in your system tray. You should see the Steam icon there. Right-click on it and select Exit Steam. This ensures Steam is completely closed and not just minimized. Now, go to your desktop and find your Steam shortcut. Right-click on the Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with administrator permissions can resolve conflicts that prevent the overlay from functioning properly. Additionally, disable any conflicting applications that might interfere with the overlay. Programs like Discord and GPU overlay software can sometimes clash with Steam's overlay feature. Temporarily disable these applications and test if your Steam overlay works. And that's it. You've now resolved the Steam overlay issue by checking all the necessary settings and eliminating potential conflicts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.